So, if I was to restart again from zero, no knowledge about forex trading, this is what I would do. What's up guys, my name is Basil, and in today's episode guys, I'm going to be explaining to you if I was to go back 4 years and I had no knowledge about trading, how would I start? So if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video. Let's get started. So guys, the first thing that I would do is equip myself with enough knowledge about the forex market. And the reason for this is because guys, if you want to get into anything, you need to first really know its depth, the do's and the don'ts of that market. So I know some of you guys know we have a $76 million liquidity that is being traded every day in the forex market. So in a market like that is controlled by the banks, you wouldn't want to come, you as a beginner trader, put in your money before even knowing what do we have in the market. I've seen traders losing money during CPI news, interest rates, and they don't know literally what is happening in the forex market. So you guys, you need to equip yourself again with enough knowledge. Now the next thing guys, you need to find yourself a mentor. The reason for this is because guys, a mentor quickens the process of you learning how to trade. I'll give you an example. I have students that I've mentored. They're already showing me signs of making money. They're already understanding markets. Last year I've mentored students and they're already making money in 1 year. That is what a mentor can do guys. But imagine when you don't have a mentor. For me it took me 4 years because I didn't have a mentor. And not that I didn't have a mentor. I had the money to pay a mentor, but I didn't just want, because I was greedy. I didn't want to lose money. I didn't want to lose anything, but I wanted to gain. So you need to change that case. You need to have a mentor. The next thing guys, since I'm already having a mentor, I would still create an account, a demo account. This is a demo account guys, we're talking about the demo account. So I would trade the demo account in this way to see the feel of the market, backtest my strategy. And by backtesting, this is what I mean. Backtesting is a method of testing your strategy onto the markets before you take it onto the live market. So what you can see, is my strategy profitable or non-profitable? So that is the use of demo account. So make sure if you are a beginner trader and you create a demo account, use it in the right way. See the feel of the market. How does the market feel? So these are things that I would go, if I was to go back 4 years ago and I was to start again from zero, learning how to use the demo account so that I don't use it for other things like show off, shape what you're making money, yet in actual sense you're not making any money, you know? So guys, the demo account is a must, and from the demo account we jump onto the live market. Guys, another thing, you need to create a live account. You shouldn't waste too much time on the demo account. The traders that I see, every time when they're resetting on the demo account, guys, you don't need to reset on the demo account. When you're done with the demo account, close that account, jump onto the real market. Now, if you want to really see the feel of the market, use TradingView to backtest, you know? But don't go back to the demo account, open and trade on the demo account. Do everything on the live market. Deposit money. If you're to lose that money, make sure to just minimize your losses. Don't blow up your account. But you need to get your heart, you need to get your heart rate up there so that you can know if really you're meant to trade in the market or not. But you need to trade the live account. That's why you know, okay, this is now a real thing. Because you're going to make money, but you lose money also. But the key thing here is to minimize losses and make sure that our profits are always bigger. The next thing guys, I would make sure to backtest the markets. One thing that took me out so bad is not backtesting the markets, and most of the times trying out my strategy on the real markets guys. So again, for those that don't know what backtesting means, backtesting is a method of you testing your strategy on the markets so that you can know if your strategy works or it doesn't work. So you need to really create time for this. You should always make sure to backtest on days like Saturday, Sunday, not days for you to go and enjoy. There's nothing that you are celebrating. You need to use these days so that you can know the feel of the market. How is your strategy a right one or a wrong one? Do you need to change your strategy or not? Do you need to change something in your strategy or not? And you do this by backtesting your market. So if you're someone who's out there drinking, partying during these times, and then you're someone who comes to the markets during the week and you're looking for trades, that's the wrong thing. During the weekends, we are backtesting. We are doing our zones. So during the week, we wait for price to come to our zones and then we execute. So the next thing guys is I would make sure to master market structure. I didn't really know market structure. And it even took me quite some time for me to understand how really the markets move. And I remember the time when I understood how markets move. Like I'll give you an example. When market is moving in an upward way, it goes up, it retraces, it goes up. The moment I learned that small thing, I saw a breakthrough in my trading. That's the only thing I was looking for. you know. So I would make sure to learn what market structure is, because we have three components of market structure. We have the uptrend market, it moves higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Then we have the downtrend market, which moves lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Another one, ranging market, it moves up and down in a fixed zone. Then lastly, the one that we don't trade, the consolidation market. But again, me, I know how to trade it, because most of the times whenever we see consolidations, and probably it's a reversal to the upper side, those are orders that are being accumulated. So probably I'm going to be looking for buys when price breaks out of the consolidation and retests. You know, I would make sure to master market structure. And after that, again, psychology follows, guys. Whatever you're doing, psychology has to be your biggest aspect. You know, because you can learn how to trade and all these things, but when you don't have psychology, even though you know what price is going to go from here to here, but you may enter from here and then up to here. When you see price start come back down, you start pumping, boom, boom, thinking that price is going to reverse on you. But in actual sense, price is just doing that pullback, because markets are not meant to move straight. This market is for buyers and sellers. Yeah, not only buying, it's for buyers. Even though you see price moving in an upward way like this, you see candles, but in there you're going to see, when you zoom, like the more you zoom in, you're going to see the red candles. It's me. People are buying, some people are selling, guys. So you need to master psychology, you know, emotional control, so that you can be able to hold your trades longer. And the more you practice these things, you're going to master them. They're going to become part of you, guys. I want to end with this, guys. Trading in the forex market, or let's say success in the forex market, is guaranteed if you follow the recipe. And by recipe, this is what I mean. When you see a chef, when someone is trying to learn how to cook food, their first moves are going to always be bad, because they're trying to learn. But the moment they master now the recipe in their head, they're going to cook good food without even looking through the book to see, okay, what is the recipe? You know, it's the same as trading. Trading has a recipe. When you follow the recipe and you do what is needed to do, you're going to have success in the forex market. But if you don't follow the recipe, things are going to be bad for you, guys. So, traders, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And yes, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out on every post a video. I'll see you in my next. Peace.